Ever pondered what's the root cause of that unsettling feeling that makes your heart pound like a drum, your palms sweat, and your mind race with 1,000 thoughts? Yes, we're talking about anxiety. But where does it really stem from? Is it just in our heads, or is there more to it? Anxiety, a common human experience, is not merely a product of an overactive imagination. It has deep-rooted origins stemming from our biology, psychology, and social environments. Firstly, consider the biological perspective. Our bodies are wired for survival. When faced with a perceived threat, our bodies trigger a response known as the fight-or-flight syndrome. This response, overseen by the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure in our brain, releases adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare our bodies for action, causing symptoms such as a racing heart and quickened breath. In other words, that anxious feeling is your body preparing you to face danger. However, when this response goes into overdrive, it can lead to chronic anxiety. Genetic factors also play a role in determining our anxiety levels. Research suggests that if a close family member suffers from an anxiety disorder, it increases your chances of experiencing similar symptoms. In short, our biology, including our genetic makeup and physiological responses, contributes to our experience of anxiety. Next, let's explore the psychological origins of anxiety. Cognitive theories suggest that anxiety stems from dysfunctional thought patterns. For instance, you might catastrophize situations, always expecting the worst outcome. Or perhaps you overgeneralize, believing that one negative event means everything else will go wrong. These thought patterns can lead to feelings of worry and fear, characteristic of anxiety. Furthermore, our past experiences and memories also influence our anxiety levels. Traumatic events can lead to post-traumatic stress disorder, a type of anxiety disorder. Even our subconscious fears and unresolved issues can manifest as anxiety. Finally, we cannot ignore the social origins of anxiety. Our environment and the societal pressures we face significantly influence our anxiety levels. For instance, constant exposure to stressful situations, such as a high-pressure job or an unstable home environment, can trigger anxiety. Society's expectations and norms can also contribute to feelings of anxiety. The fear of not fitting in or not meeting societal standards can lead to social anxiety. To summarize, anxiety is a complex emotion with multifaceted origins. It stems from our biological responses and genetic predispositions, our cognitive processes and past experiences, and the societal pressures and environmental factors we face. Understanding these origins can help us to better manage and cope with anxiety. And remember, it's okay to seek help when needed. Anxiety is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control it.